I'm going to cover off very briefly why it's so important for regulators to understand and respond to the calls for a renewed imperative. The first thing to say is that in their response to COVID-19, the UK's regulators have roundly dispelled the myths that they are slow and inflexible. Everything from banning home repossessions for consumers to telling businesses actually focus on frontline services. We are not going to punish you for procedural breaches of legislation. The UK's regulators have shown that they can be nimble and bold and brave in protecting markets and consumers. But we are moving from response to recovery, and that's going to be a much longer period. So regulators really need to think about operationalising that same sense of leadership and purpose going forward. I see two priorities for regulators as they act to restore market stability. The first one is to look forwards and outwards and not back. A lot of what you know and what you knew about your market has changed. There are new groups of vulnerable customers with very non-traditional needs, and a host of potential new poor behaviours from markets that need to be controlled. So regulators have to stay in sync with the markets that they look after, engage with the third sector, engage with other regulators, engage internationally and with government, and make sure that there is a coordinated approach to bringing back that confidence. The second priority is for every regulatory team to tap in to the energy and boldness of recent months and challenge established convention. Ask yourself, does this still add value? Is this still proportionate? And what more could we do? The next step, though, is to turn that innovation mirror on themselves and say, how can these techniques, machine learning, advanced data analytics, blockchain, be applied to help us regulate better? And certainly we're working with a regulator at the moment to apply machine learning to the returns that they're getting every week from entities, looking at them saying, are they the same as last week? Are they similar to returns from other entities that we think are in a similar group? And if not, that's a weak signal without any human intervention, without any reviews. It's a weak signal that something has changed. And I think these technologies offer incredible potential in terms of the future of regulation.